Welcome to Blooming Wildwood Homestead. On today's video, I want to share with you a new purchase that I made and discuss a little bit about why I chose this item. I'm really excited to share with you today a new dehydrator that I just picked up. This is the Magic Mill MFD-9100, and I kind of went back and forth about whether or not I was going to get a new dehydrator. I do have one that I was using last year that is round and it has heat that comes up from the bottom, and it's worked fine for some of the things that I have been dehydrating. But this is something that I kind of want to take to the next level, and as I was looking at different dehydrators, this one happened to be $60 off at the time that I purchased it, and so I went ahead and picked it up. One of the main reasons why I chose to get this new dehydrator is, one, it has a little bit larger capacity than the one that I was previously using. Additionally, it can do more things than my old one could. It can be used to make yogurt, you can use it for jerky, obviously fruit roll-ups, fruit leather. So some of those things I could do with my old dehydrator, yes. However, this has the capability of being able to hang your meat up for jerky processing, and it also has a better heat circulation. It's going to flow around all of the food a little bit better, which will help to get everything more evenly dry. With my old dehydrator, I would have to rotate the trays in order to make sure that everything was drying sufficiently. The other thing that I really like about this one is that it has the temperature controls, which will help me to make sure that I'm getting everything at the proper temperature. If I'm trying to dehydrate herbs, for example, I don't need it to be as hot as I would if I'm trying to dehydrate jerky, for example. So it's just going to give me a lot more versatility, and I think it'll be really useful. So I thought it would be fun to unbox this together so you can see what it looks like and see if this might be something that works for you. If you're brand new to dehydrating, this might be something that you're interested in, or maybe you're looking for an excuse to upgrade. So this might be helpful as well. First out of the gate, instruction manual. That's always a good thing. A Dehydrator Cookbook. We have some meat skewers. I'm guessing this is for hanging the jerky, but we will find out for sure. A rack, probably for jerky, maybe. And then we have the plastic trays. I think these are for the fruit leathers, fruit roll-ups. And then I think this is an extra tray that's gonna go inside, but we'll take a look. All right, we're gonna relocate this to the chair, and then I'm gonna pull it out of the box. All right, here we go. This is fairly deep, and it does take up a bit of counter space. I might relocate this to my table, depending on how much I'm going to be using it at a time, but we'll see. So the door opens up really nicely. We've got some silicone mitts for being able to handle the warm trays. You can see here, this is one of the things that I was excited about. You can see that it has the fan in the back, so it's really gonna help to circulate the heat all around the trays that will go in here. Speaking of trays, let's check it out. This is really exciting. I kind of forgot about this. I knew there were more reasons why I bought this. So it actually has the stainless steel trays, which is really, really nice. And then the mesh tray can go over the top if you have smaller herbs or something that you're trying to dry. You can put those on the mesh tray. So that's really nice. But these have a little bit larger holes. Again, that's going to be really handy for getting that airflow all the way around. It has a total of 10 trays, which is fantastic, and you can just see that there's plenty of air to be able to circulate around things, which I'm really excited about. This is my new tool, and we are going to run it through a test run. I think it has to run for 30 minutes the first time before you use it, and then I think my first project is actually going to be making some yogurt, which I'm really excited about. So I'll be sure to share that with you along the way. I hope today's video was helpful to you. If you have not already gotten started dehydrating, it is not too late to start. And if you think it's something that you want to do after your harvest this summer, you might want to begin looking for a dehydrator that will meet your needs now so that it's available when you get ready for that harvest. I will link in the description below to the one that I unboxed today, but by no means is this the only brand available. There are a lot of good options out there. You just need to find what fits your price point and what fits your needs and everything that you're hoping to do with it. So let me know in the comments below, what are some things that you are planning to dehydrate this year? And if today's video was helpful, don't forget to click like, and we'd love to have you subscribe and be part of the community here at Blooming Wildwood Homestead. Until next time, bye everyone.